Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another awesome video. This is a cook with me video. I will be cooking yam and egg sauce with some vegetable in this video. As you have already seen from the introduction of this video, I am starting with kale. I will be using kale to make the sauce. So I start by taking out the leaf from the stalk and soaking it in water. Now I add vinegar and baking soda into the water. It helps to remove some of the pesticide they use in growing the kale, and also it helps to tenderize the kale. Sometimes kale is very tough, but I find this one, I don't know if it's actually this particular kale, or I don't know, but the kale was very tender, unlike most kale. But that's what I'm doing here. I will soak it and leave it here. While it's soaking, I will continue to prepare the rest of the ingredients that I'll be using to cook uh, the food. I will be cooking the sauce first, and while the sauce will be cooking, I will then transition into making the yam. If you're not somebody who like yam, growing up in an African home, this is something that we eat like all the time, especially if you grew up in the village where your parents are farmers, you will eat this all the time. So it got to a point where I don't even like eating yam. So for a very long time, I haven't eaten yam for like more than a year. I haven't eaten yam, but for this particular day, I was craving yam. My husband is a Caribbean. He loves anything yam. So I decided to make the yam today, and it was delicious. The sauce was actually on another level. So thank you. If you new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, thank you for stopping by my channel, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Remember to turn on your post notification. That way you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I try to upload video every week. I'm a working mom in Canada. I'm a 9 to 5 working mom of three. So I do appreciate you stopping here and watching my video. Continue watching to the end, and when you're done, remember to give the video a thumbs up. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section for me. Thank you very much in advance. What is egg sauce without egg? Obviously, I'll be using some eggs. So I'm using 5 eggs here, and I'll also be adding tuna to the egg sauce. Now, you can skip that part if you don't like to add tuna, or if you don't have it, you can use any kind of fish you want. Cooking is an art, right? An art, is subjective. It's the beauty of the art is in the eye of the beholder. So however you like to cook your egg is how you're going to cook it. There's no perfect way, there's no best way. The best way is to your own opinion, but to me, I love tuna. So I will always add tuna to my egg sauce. It took the egg sauce to a different level. Like I said, I wasn't a fan of egg sauce before, but adding the tuna actually makes it taste different. It makes it taste very nice. So I'm just seasoning the onion and the red pepper. uh so what I added is seasoning cube, two seasoning cubes, and then I'll just continue to add the rest of the ingredients until we're done. Thank you so much if you watch up to this point. I do appreciate you stopping by my channel and watching my video. I like the engagement that you give me in this video. So if you haven't subscribed, remember again that this is the opportunity for you to subscribe. There's nothing you don't have to pay anything for subscribing. It just gives you the opportunity. It just gives you the ability to know when I post a new video. Because if you're not watching and I post a new video, if you like my channel, you won't be notified. So also when you subscribe, turn on your notification, your post notification. That way you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I'm trying to be consistent on YouTube. It's not easy as a working mom of three, but I am trying to be consistent. Posting, making video and editing and posting on YouTube is something that I enjoy doing. That's why I continue to do it. Sometimes it becomes too much for me and then I leave, but I always come back. It's something that draws me back to YouTube. But yeah, it's too much that I'm sharing with you. Thank you again. Subscribe and become a member of this family. So now I'm just going ahead to rinse out the kale. It's been sitting for like 15 minutes or more. So I'm just rinsing it. I'll let it drain a little bit and then I'll chop it to add into the food. Huh? This sauce didn't take time to make. Once you add the kale and cover it, just give it 2 minutes and it's done. You don't want to overcook the kale. As you can see here, it's looking very vibrant and very tender. I mean the kale. So it didn't take any time to cook. If you enjoy this kind of meal, go ahead and give it a try and let me know how it comes out for you. You can actually use this sauce to eat anything. It doesn't have to be yam. You can use it to eat rice. You can use it to eat potatoes like Irish potato or even sweet potatoes. Just boil it and use it to eat whatever you like to eat. You can even use it to eat as a wrap, even though it's a little bit watery. If you're going to use it for wrap or shawarma, something like that, you have to let it cook down for the water to dry down a little bit more. So I'm going ahead to make the yam. Yam is very, very expensive here in North America. I live in Canada. This yam cost me $7, and the reason why it cost me $7 is because the lady wanted to round up what I bought to a particular amount. That was the reason why she gave me this one for $7. Otherwise, yam is expensive. I don't know. Thank God, yam is not my thing. But once in a while, as an African who eats, all this kind, these are our staple. Once in a while, even if you are not a fan of it, you crave it. And this particular, that was craving it. I don't know, for whatever reason, I must buy it. Anyways, thank you again for watching. If you watch up to this point, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. If you're yet to subscribe, leave me a comment. I want to get to know you a little bit more. As you know me, you see me, I don't have to, but it would be good if you can leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you again.